So, sometimes when your body needs extra nourishment, something fresh, something healthy, maybe something green, we intake it and we feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Well, the same goes for our hair. When it's dry, weak, and undernourished, it needs something refreshing, something green. That's when Green Supreme by Carol's Daughter comes in handy. Formulated with matcha green tea for strength, coconut water for ultra hydration, and moringa to stimulate hair growth, the Green Supreme collection by Carol's Daughter will keep your curls vibrant and healthy. The first step is to cleanse with Carol's Daughter Green Supreme sulfate-free shampoo. This shampoo is going to cleanse the hair and scalp without stripping it of its natural oils, and the lather is nice and rich yet gentle on the hair. Next, I'm conditioning with Carol's Daughter Green Supreme Conditioner, which is going to replace any lost nutrients in my hair. I finger detangle that thoroughly through my hair, and then I apply a plastic cap for extra deep conditioning until I'm done showering. After about 10 minutes or so, my hair is nice and soft and ready to be rinsed with a burst of cool water. Now that my hair is cleansed and conditioned, it's ready to be styled. To begin, I'm going to section my hair into 4 workable sections. Now, starting in the back at the nape of my neck, I'm going to apply the Carol's Daughter Green Supreme Leave-In Tonic, which is going to soften and nourish my curls, giving it moisture and much needed luster. I'm going to brush that in thoroughly and begin 2-strand twisting my hair. Now I'm going to take a perm rod and add an end paper to it for extra grip, and I'm just going to roll my ends on up. Super simple. And I'm going to continue that process all over my head, being sure to concentrate the product on my ends where my hair needs it the most, and brushing the sections midway for a smooth result. Now for the coarser sections of my hair and the drier sections of my hair, I went ahead and I applied a dab of the Green Supreme Conditioner for extra moisture where it needs it the most. Why not repurpose a product that has so many benefits, right? And when we're done twisting and rolling, this is how it looks, and now my hair is ready to dry. After sitting under the dryer for about an hour and a half and saying a prayer that my hair is 100% dry, it's time to take them down. I'm going to remove all of the rods first, and thankfully, they are 100% dry, y'all. Yay! Okay, so after I remove the rods, it's time to separate, and the first thing I'm going to do is apply some oil to my hands, and I'm just going to unravel the twist. And as I'm separating, this is key, so take note. As I'm separating, I twirl the ends of my hair around my finger to keep the ends from frizzing up. Trust me, you do not want to skip this step. You may end up with very frizzy ends if you do. So I'm just going to keep separating to my liking. And when I'm done separating, this is how it's looking so far. But of course, if you know me, you know that I have to pick my hair. Alright, and this is the final look, ladies and gentlemen. This is a twist and curl. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check out your local Target for Carol's Daughter products and subscribe to my channel as well as Carol's Daughter's YouTube channel, which is www.youtube.com/CDTV online. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.